Hello, Marjolaine Walker here, and today I'm going to alter this file folder that I got from Faber-Castell a few years ago. I really liked the book, so I saved it and kind of forgot about it till now. So I'm going to use some Design Memory Craft products to alter it, and I hope you enjoy. So here I'm starting with 4 colors of gelato, and I'm using some makeup sponges to rub the color in. Next, again, I'm using gelato and I'm just putting it on my mat, and I'm going to spray it with a bit of water and mix it in. And then I'm just going to use a brush to put it through the stencil. And here I'm applying the gelato directly onto the stencil and using a baby wipe to rub it all in. I'm using a big brush pen directly onto my mat and mixing it with a bit of water. And I'm just applying that through a stencil again and drying it. And using the same mixture of water and the big brush pen, I'm now just splattering some of the ink. I thought this was a great idea until I realized I had splattered my whole computer, and I've now seen some ink all the way up to my ceiling, so I'll be more careful next time. And I'm just using a little bit more water to have the splatters spread out a little bit into some drips. And now I'm using a palette knife and some gesso and putting it through the stencil. And I didn't want to waste any of the gesso, so I'm just pushing that through onto the project. And I'm also spreading some of the gesso around to mute it down a bit. Here I'm using the big brush pen to color all my chipboard pieces. added layer, I'm going to add some gelato on top of the big brush pen, and then I rub it in.
Here I'm stamping a sentiment, and after that I'm going to ink up just the border of my stamp so I can add some design to my chipboard pieces. Decided to use a heat tool to dry the gesso, partly because I wanted to finish the project quickly, but also because I wanted to create some little bubbles in the gesso, and the heat tool really helps that along. And next I'm covering the whole surface of my book with some matte medium, and I'm doing this so that I can add a little more color and be able to move it around. So now that the surface is sealed, I'm able to use the big brush markers to apply color, and just rubbing it with my finger, I'm able to spread it around as much as I want. Now to finish it off, I'm using some quick dry adhesive to adhere everything down. After I was all done, I realized I didn't really like how dark the blue was of the ribbon, so I used some lighter gelato and some wet fingers to rub it in. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.